So on today's episode of what in the actual plumbing are we doing? This is my old kitchen faucet. It's really not that old. I didn't winterize my RV properly, and now the cartridge, up in there is busted and it leaks water everywhere. So I get to change it, along with fixing, 12 or 13 of the leaks that I found after it's sitting over the winter. So, yay! Okay, that's what we're looking at. Okay, got it all tightened down. It's just my island moving because it's cheap. Alright, so now that I have everything tightened down, this thing is kind of loose in here. But I did see back here a little set screw. So mine happened to be 2.5 millimeter. I mean, it just took barely anything, less than one full rotation, and stiffened everything right up. I don't have that up and down play anymore, so